Hello everyone, welcome to another Node related tutorial. In Node.js, there is one more module that we have to learn and understand, that is Node.js URL module. So in the previous examples, we learned many built-in modules of Node.js like HTTP, file system, path, operating system, events. We also did these different examples. We understood event emitter, event listener. Now we will learn about URL module. Okay. So the URL module helps parse and format URLs, and it is used to work with URL strings and extract part such as host name, path name, query parameters, etc. So first we will copy this code, and then I will explain the meaning of each line. So we are saving it here, and we will save it as, so instead of saving it here, just give me yeah. So what I will do is I will create a file called test url dot js. Okay, and in test url dot js I will paste it. Now we will give some URL, like if we give slidescope.in, I will give the port as 80, which is the default port, and path is equal to something. Okay, and now we will run node test url dot js. So as you can see, when we said parse URL, okay, that means parsed URL. After parsing everything from the URL, it will be saved inside this using the module URL. The node URL module provides utility for URL resolution and parsing, and it can be accessed using, you can see, import node. Okay, so import URL from node URL. But when we are using constant URL require URL, so here we are requiring this. Okay, and this means it will use URL module which is built in, and then on console we will write three things. One is passed URL dot hostname. So in this passed URL object we can use the property hostname to get the output of what host is. This host is basically the domain of website. Port is in which port we are, or on which port we are accessing some content. And in path can be anything. It can be something like Java tutorial or Java or JavaScript. Okay, and question mark name is equal to node.js. This is a query parameter. Suppose we have to write various query parameter, like name is equal to node.js and count is equal to 3 and type is equal to blog. So by this what we mean is we have three parameters. First is name, second is count, and type, third is type, which is blog. So what we want? We want three blogs of Node.js on this website hosted on this path. Okay. So this way, now if we will run the same code again, here you will see the, you know, query comes as name is equal to Node.js and count is equal to 3 and type is equal to blog. Okay, so the output will be in this format. So this is the way we can use URL module, and what information can we get from here is clear from here. When you are learning as a beginner and you want to access other properties or see what other properties will this object, or can this object access from this module when we have created this object, so you can write dot, and here you will see various property names that we can access. Okay, so For example, slashes, search, query we are already using. For example, protocol, okay, or path name. We have host name, path name. So let's say protocol. So currently the protocol that is used is HTTP. We can also use HTTPS protocol. So if you will see, the protocol output is HTTP. Okay. What if we provide the URL as HTTPS secure socket layer? Okay, with HTTP secure. Now what it will do, it will see HTTPS. So this way, if we are accessing a URL and based on the different properties of the URL, we can make decisions. For example, if the protocol is HTTPS, there is no need to redirect the user to HTTPS version of the website. But if the URL is HTTP, then there is a need to redirect the user to HTTPS. For example, currently in the website we are visiting with HTTPS. If we visit with HTTP, then also the the backend setting will redirect the user to HTTPS. This way, if we have a valid SSL certificate installed on the domain name, then we can redirect the users to the secure site. Okay, so that users are not redirected to the insecure site. This is one example, and obviously we will see some other examples in the upcoming chapters. So please stay tuned and just watch the next part of this video series. Thanks for watching.